BECE, 1999, Section B, Question 1. 1a. Kofi and Kojo were given 38,000 cedis to share. Kojo had 7,500 cedis more than Kofi. Find I. Kofi's share. I. Kojo's share. 1b. A trader paid 1,500 cedis for 6 drinking cups. One of the cups got broken. He sold the remaining 5, making a profit of 10%. Calculate I. The cost price of each of the 6 cups. I. The selling price of each of the 5 cups. I. The profit made on each cup sold. BECE, 1999, Section B, Question 2. 2a. Solve the inequality, 2x minus 1, divided by 4, minus x minus 2, all, divided by 3 is greater than 1. 2b. Find the value of the expression 2x minus 3y, if x equals to 1/3, and y equals to minus half. 2c. 25 students in a class took an examination in mathematics and science. 17 of them passed in science, and 8 passed in both mathematics and science. 3 students did not pass in any of the subjects. Find I. How many passed in mathematics? I. The probability of meeting a student who passed in one subject only. BECE, 1999, Section B, Question 3. 3a. Using a pair of compasses and a ruler only, I. Construct triangle ABC such that AB equals to 10 cm, angle ABC equals to 30 degrees, and BC equals to 8 cm. Measure angle ACB. 3a, Sub-question I. Construct a perpendicular from C to meet line AB, at D measure CD. 3b. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. BECE, 1999, Section B, Question 4. 4a. I. Using a scale of 2 cm to 2 units on both axes, draw 2 perpendicular axes OX and OY on a graph sheet. I. On the same graph sheet, mark the x-axis from -10 to 10, and the y-axis from -12 to 12. 4a. I. Plot the points A, with coordinates 0, 10, B, with coordinates -6, -2, C, with coordinates 4, 3, and D, with coordinates -3, -11. Use a ruler to join the point A to B, and also point C to D. 4b. I. Draw the line x equals to -2 to meet AB at P, and CD at Q. I. Use a protractor to measure angles BPQ and PQC. 4b. I. What is the common name given to angles BPQ and PQC? V. State the relationship between lines AB and CD. BECE, 1999, Section B, Question 5. 5. The table below shows the marks scored out of 10 by some candidates in a test. The marks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And their corresponding number of candidates are 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 13, 7 and 5. 5a. From the above table, find I. The modal mark. I. How many candidates took the test? I. The mean mark for the test. 5b. If 20% of the candidates failed, I. How many failed? I. What is the least mark a candidate should score in order to pass?